Hello YouTube, here's the JIUSI race PT14R for a really cool snow day. We're gonna be running this through the street here, recording with my GoPro Hero 9, and here I am doing this on this pretty cold day. Yes, well, go out and enjoy the weather. If this is what you get, then enjoy what you get. Alright, so I have the GoPro connected here under my controller. Car is right there. Again, well, let me just do quickly here. You already probably seen my full review on this one. This is the JIUSI Race PT14R. First time I'm running this one, by the way. So hopefully I don't break it in like 5 minutes. Brand new. I'm gonna test and see if this is really waterproof or not. But playing on the snow, especially this condition here, it's just fresh snow, see? And it's really cold, so it's not, there is no water. We're gonna do some nice drifting around. It's one of the coolest things you can do is play with an RC in the snow. I'm going really slow for now, just so you can see it's going all. Oh yeah, this is cool. I think I'm gonna get this cover here because I'm getting all the snow in my head. All right, let's go a little bit quicker then now. All the way down there. It's tough to do full throttle because it's really slippery, right? The snow here is really slippery and you can't, even going a little bit slow, it's already too much fun. Go all the way there. And as you know, playing in the snow in cold weathers, the plastics becomes fragile, right? So you can break your RC much easier while playing in the snow. But I guess I gotta do it. All the way down there, braking and coming back. Let me see if I have this set to 100. Yeah, looks like I do. And it handles grass pretty well. Never had issues running through the grass. Even some jumps. Coming all the way back. There's no day for you right here. We go to my neighbor's grass here. We're gonna go all the way there and come back right straight of us. It did not accumulate so much snow right now, so it's not getting stuck. Oh, I thought I was going to hit the post. From time to time I hit that post. I already broke more than one car in that very same post. So it's no day for you. I think this is gonna do it. Car is working pretty good. Feels like the battery is dying. I don't know if it's because it's too cold, but let's check it out. Let's see how it looks from inside. Yeah, it's about hitting the 5 minutes mark, which is my target for this video. I don't want to go too long on a snow day running video because it's about the same. You just slide from one side to the other. Oh, it's cold. I want to take these clips off, but I'm having a hard time. Wow. Let me put this here. Alright, so here I have, it's giving me this weird noise. I don't know what that is, but probably not good, so I'm going to turn it off. See, there isn't too much snow inside, or I guess there is too much, but anyway, that's it. This was the snow day running video of the JIUSI PT14R. Hope that you liked. Ask your questions, leave your comment, like, dislike, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye.